Hi parents! Every year at the winter workshop at Avenues, we always take the children on a day out. Because at Avenues, we believe that learning shouldn't just happen within the four walls of a classroom. And this winter workshop, we are bringing your kids to the ESC Futsal ground at Lower Nongrim Hills. Nothing comes easy in life. You have to work hard for it. You get tired and sometimes you want to give up. But that's the whole story about never giving up. And you try again. You must be asking why we are bringing your children to this ESC Futsal ground. You should be asking that because that is this year's Winter Workshop's theme. Why? I'm going to show you why. Because sometimes in life we win and we lose, and learning how to accept your loss is as equally important as how you learn how to win. At Avenues, we're all about the safety and security of your children. And on that day, what we are planning to do is that the early years will be playing on one side and the seniors and the juniors will be playing on the other side. There are just few basic rules for the parents to keep in mind. It's number one, make sure your kids wear sneakers on that day. Number two, please make them wear comfortable clothes. They can pack their lunch, they can pack their water. Please be here at 1 p.m. and please come and pick your children at 3:30 p.m. This futsal ground has got proper facilities. We have got proper washrooms, changing rooms, a snack store, and a very big parking space. So we'll see you there at the ESC Futsal ground on the 13th of December at 1 p.m.